Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop. This is to inform the public that 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop is not authorized to solicit investments from the public. This advisory is prompted by reports and information gathered by the Commission that individuals or group of persons are enticing the public through social media platform to invest in 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop. As posted on its website, 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop claims to be the largest e-commerce intermediary in the Philippines, and its main partner sellers of the platform are allegedly from Amazon, Lazada, and Shopee. At alam naman natin mga kababayan, yan po ay kasinungalingan dahil marami na rin po mga companies ang nagpanggap na sila daw ay intermediary ng mga e-commerce platforms. So it further claims that the main function of its platform is to recruit a large number of online part-timers to buy store products from Amazon, Lazada, and Shopee, thereby helping the merchant to improve his store ranking so that the merchant could get more real opportunities and customers. It has allegedly served tens of thousands of online e-commerce merchants since 2020 as over 10,000 users shop online through its platform every day and earn commissions. Its merchants pay a commission for each order. After that, the platform will charge a 10% service fee and the remaining commission will be returned to members. More members will get more benefits from the platform. Alam naman natin na yan ay isa na naman pong Ponzi scam dahil marami na pong mga ganyan mga Ponzi scam sinasabi na connected daw sila sa Amazon, sa Lazada at Shopee pero hindi naman talaga totoo. At makikita nyo bakit ang pangalan ng kanilang kumpanya ay iba doon sa pangalan ng website nila. Ang pangalan ng website ay 888vip.site. Pero ang pangalan daw ng kumpanya nila ay 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop. So dyan pa lang po, makikita nyo na talagang scam yan. At nagbabayad daw sila ng komisyon. Pero kailangan mag-invest ka muna. So dyan pa lang po mga kababayan, isa na naman po si scam yan. Maaari sa umpisa, bigyan kayo ng payout pero sigurado po sa huli, tatakbuhan kayo niyan. 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop is offering investments to the public with a minimal amount of 500 pesos. The investor can also earn 5% from direct referral and minimum daily salary of 500 pesos. Alam naman natin, syempre, mga companies na yan ay may DRB o direct referral bonus. At ang DRB daw dyan sa 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop ay 5%. Briefly, an investment contract exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop. As such, the Securities Regulation Code or SRC requires that said offer and or sale of securities must be duly registered with the Commission and that the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to sell such securities to the public. Based on the Commission's database, 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop is not registered as a corporation or partnership and operates without the necessary license and or authority to solicit, accept, or take investments or placements from the public, nor to issue investment contracts and other forms of securities defined under Section 3 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Further, the scheme employed by 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop has the characteristics of a Ponzi scheme where money from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors and is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent members in case of scarcity of new investors. So ayan po mga kababayan, yung mga Ponzi schemes po na yan ay maring padamahin kayo sa umpisa, magbibigay yan ng payout. Pero kapag naaabot na nila yung quota nila o kapag konti na lang yung sumasali sa company nila ay tataob po yan. Kaya nga umiwas na po kayo dyan sa mga Ponzi scams na yan. The offering and selling of securities in the form of investment contracts using the Ponzi scheme, which is fraudulent and unsustainable, is not a registrable security. The Commission will not issue a license to sell securities to the public to persons or entities that are engaged in this business or scheme. In view thereof, the public is hereby advised not to invest or to stop investing in the investment scheme being offered by 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop, as well as to any other entities having the same or similar schemes, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments or recruiting investors for and on behalf of 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop. So ayan po mga kababayan, wag na po kayo mag-i-invest dyan dahil yan pong 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop ay isa pong scam. At babala po para doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers or agents, representatives, promoters, uplines, recruiters, influencers, endorsers, and enablers of 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop in selling or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by the said entity, including soliciting investments or recruiting investors through the internet, may be held criminally liable under Section 11 of the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC, and both violations are penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or imprisonment of 21 years or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. Furthermore, the names of all those involved will be reported to the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR so that the appropriate penalties and or taxes be correspondingly assessed. Mga kababayan, kung meron po kayong impormasyon tungkol nga sa kahit na anong investment solicitation activities ng mga individual or grupo ng individual on behalf of 888 Partners Corp Budgetarian Online Shop, ay isend nyo po ang inyong report sa pamamagitan ng email sa email po ng EIPD. Ang kanila email ay epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong October 17, 2023. Mga kababayan, dapat maging maingat tayo. Huwag tayo basta-basta mag-i-invest. Kailangan i-check nyo maigi yung pag-i-investan ninyo. Kailangan kompleto sa legalities at dapat po merong secondary license at i-verify po ninyo sa Securities and Exchange Commission kasi meron pong mga kumpanya na namemeke ng dokumento. At dapat talaga mag-ingat tayo. Huwag tayo basta-basta maniniwala. Huwag kayong maniniwala dahil merong payout ay legit na agad. Dahil yung mga companies, kadalasan yan, papadamahin kayo, bibigyan kayo ng payout. Katulad nga ng ginawa ng CCO Media. Nung umpisa, meron pong payout pero ngayon wala na po. Tumakbo na po yung mga pasimuno ng scam na CCO Media. Tapos yung mga defenders at yung mga recruiters na matatapang noon, 'di ba? Nagga-guarantee nga sila na ibabalik daw nila yung pera ng mga magi-invest kung talaga daw scam yung CCO Media. Syempre, ang sinasabi ngayon ng mga recruiters na yun, ng mga uplines na yun, na biktima lang din daw sila at nawalan din daw sila ng pera dahil sa CCO Media. Pero iba ang sinasabi nila noon, 'di ba? Ang sinasabi nila malaki na raw ang kinita nila sa CCO Media. Meron pa nga iba na nagsasabi na kahit daw mawala na yung CCO Media ay kumita na raw sila. Pero ngayon, ang sinasabi naman nila ay biktima daw sila. Kaya nga mga kababayan, umiwas po kayo dyan nga sa mga too good to be true ng mga investment schemes at huwag kayong magpapaniwala dun sa mga pangako ng mga uplines dahil binobola lang kayo niyan para nga sumali kayo at kumita sila ng DRB o Direct Referral Bonus, pero kapag tumakbo na nga yung sinalihan yung company, sasabihin lang nila ay biktima lang din daw sila. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito po sa aking channel. God bless po.